What's up guys, this is Tampatec, and I'm going to show you how to connect your Legends Ultimate control deck to your LED or LCD TV. So you can play light gun games on your LCD or LED TV. Now standard light guns that are made for Nintendo, Super Nintendo, and Sega Genesis, those light guns don't work on modern TVs. They're designed for CRT TVs. So if you want to play light gun games on your LCD or LED TV, you're going to need an aim track light gun that comes with the light bar. Now if your TV is bigger than a 50-inch TV, then I highly suggest getting the XL light bar that works for bigger TVs. Atgames Legends Ultimate came out with the update, so light guns do work on this arcade cabinet. And you can even install your own light gun games on a USB drive. I'll leave a link in the video description below if you're interested in adding game ROMs on your USB drive so you're able to play them on the Legends Ultimate Arcade. The first thing you're going to do is remove the screws on the side. And you want to unplug the power cord from the back of the cabinet. And this is a 12 volt, 5 amp power adapter. And you want to plug it into this port right here, the power port. Now some of the arcade cabinets, there's different models of this Legends Ultimate arcade cabinet. Some will plug straight into this port, and some you have to unscrew the back panel and plug it in internally. So the power connection goes to the I/O board right here. Just unplug it. Make sure you plug it back in when you put it back into your arcade cabinet, or else you're not going to have any power, of course. And then just go ahead and plug it in right there. And now we have power. And I'm going to plug it into HDMI 3 on my TV. Make sure all your connections are solid. Here's my light bar right here. I'm just going to mount it on top. Just like that. And I have it plugged into this 4-way hub. Now if you don't have a 4-way hub, no problem. Just plug it into the USB port on your TV. The USB port usually is for updates for the LED or LCD TV, but you could just plug it in for the light bar. That should power up the light bar, no problem. So we have our power connected, we have the light bar connected, and we have the HDMI connected. And make sure you fully update the Legends Ultimate control deck. It has to be on the latest version for this to work. Next, we're going to get a USB hub like this one, and then I'm going to plug in my light gun and my USB drive with my games on it. We're going to plug in the USB right here. Now first you want to power on and wait for it to boot up. Then plug in the USB hub, or else for some reason it doesn't boot up with this plugged in. I don't know why, it just doesn't. So after like maybe 15 seconds, go ahead and plug in on the left port, plug in the USB hub. Now you do have to recalibrate because this monitor is of course bigger than the monitor inside the Legends Ultimate Arcade, so I highly suggest recalibrating. HDMI 3, and there it is. Before you get started, of course you want to go to settings. I'm on version 4.19. Make sure you update your arcade. Go ahead and we're going to calibrate. Where is the calibration? Here, light gun calibration. Right there. Hit A. We'll select that. Now I already downloaded the software and I calibrated on my computer. That's what this is talking about. But you can calibrate on the Legends Ultimate by pressing these two buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 seconds. And you want to stand 6 feet back. Shoot the top left corner, shoot the top right corner, and shoot the bottom of the screen. And it should be pretty accurate. So it works. Let's go ahead and back out and test out a game. I'm going to try Police Trainer. That's my favorite. Now if your aspect ratio is slightly off, then you go into the TV settings and change the aspect ratio. But you may have to recalibrate. You can also do it by hitting menu and go right here, and you can do pixel perfect, or you can just cycle through all the display modes. And that's by hitting menu button on the control deck. So I'm going to do pixel perfect and hit menu to save that. Now I may have to recalibrate, I'm not sure. Alright, easy. Let's try it out. So to exit out, you just hit menu, hit quit, and then let's try another game. One thing I didn't understand about this part of the game is, why am I standing 20 feet back from the rest of my crew? Wouldn't you think I'd be sitting behind the wall with them so there was no friendly fire? I don't accidentally shoot them in the back of the head. It just makes more sense if I was sitting behind the wall with them. And another thing is, why is there a Terminator casually walking by them? They are completely unfazed by that Terminator, and that Terminator is unfazed by them. He only directly shoots at me, which makes no sense whatsoever. Now the reason why I'm showing you how to set up the Legends Ultimate to the TV was because most light guns don't work on an LED or LCD TV. But this also will work in a laptop setup. So if you have the emulator on your laptop, then you could connect the light bar to the TV and the light gun to your laptop, and that would also work on your LED or LCD TV. Now of course, the Legends Gamer is going to be released. That's an individual control deck. It does not come with the cabinet, and that's a lot cheaper. I think it's going to cost around $200, $250, but that won't release until 2021, I believe, or maybe 2020 Christmas time. The Legends Ultimate is around $500. If this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up. If you know anyone that's interested in light guns or gaming, go ahead and click on the share button below, share this video to them, and subscribe, hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos.